Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning images from just a text prompt using our AI Image Generator. Start by typing in what you'd like to generate. It can be anything from a futuristic city at sunset to a cat wearing sunglasses in space. Be as creative as you like. Next, choose a model. Standard and HD are available for free users. Genius is part of the Pro plan and offers the highest quality results with access to advanced features. If you're using the standard or HD model, you can pick between speed, for faster generation, or quality for more detailed results. But if you're using the Genius model, you'll unlock a wider set of preferences like photography, anime, hyperreal, and more. Below, you can also choose a visual style for your image. There are over 100 styles to pick from. Whether you're going for something realistic, painterly, or stylized like fantasy or anime. And finally, you can set the shape of your image from square to portrait to wide landscape, depending on where you plan to use it. Once you've got everything set, just hit submit, and the AI will bring your idea to life. That's all it takes to turn a simple idea into a unique visual. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.